lot has changed in the world over the last 50 plus years. Technology, customer demands, the way we do business, you name it. One thing that hasn't changed since Jet started making industrial tools in 1958, the value of hard work. A whole lot of hard work, blood, sweat, and ingenuity has gotten us to where we are today, and we're proud of it. We're proud to provide the machinery that has helped you rise to the top, beat the odds, and get the most out of your resources and your workforce. Today's metalworking professionals are using the most advanced Jet machines ever. Whether it's milling, drilling, sawing, turning, forming, grinding, or finishing, we understand the importance of providing a wide variety of tools that get the job done and get it done right. We have machinists using our fully programmable CNC mills at NASA. Our large spindle bore lathes are used at some of America's most advanced manufacturing facilities. Jet drilling machines service military maintenance shops all the way up to large shipping yards and public works facilities. Jet has forming equipment that's letting small teams build world-class motorcycles. Jet's new dust collection systems are making finishing and grinding safer than ever before. All of our product lines are deeper, more capable, and more dependable than ever. Jet realizes that performance is critical in the treacherous environments where metalworking machines operate. When your machine is down, it's critical that you have a company that you can count on. A company that prides itself on the ability of getting you back up and running fast. That's why at Jet, we invest so heavily into supporting you and your operation. Jet has more than 40,000 parts in stock for 8 years after your purchase and over 350 service centers across the country. We work with local distributors that you can trust to provide guidance in getting the right machine for the job. Jet offers an industry-leading 2-year warranty because we know how critical your machines are to your operation, and we are that confident in the products we make. Add all this up, and what you get is the industry's most comprehensive offering of metalworking machinery from a company that will never stop working hard for you. At Jet, we deliver great machinery with great service. We know that your success hinges on your ability to stand behind your work, which is why we work so hard to stand behind ours.